This is Ian from Lean Media, and today we'll be creating a removal order for all remaining inventory of Flexport as we prepare to shut down our Flexport account permanently. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. By the way, the reason why I am shutting down the account is because of this. They're implementing a $500 monthly minimum fulfillment spend, and I'm not down with that. So I'm basically going to be telling Flexport to send back all my inventory, and then I'm going to close my Flexport account forever. What I need to do first is I need to go to the inventory section of Flexport, and it will show all the items or the SKUs that I have in DTC fulfillment. And what I want to do is I want to select them all. So you can see I've already gone through and done that. The items that I don't have any DTC fulfillment, I haven't done anything with that. So once I've selected all 18 items, 18 SKUs, and in each one of those 18 SKUs, there's usually multiple units available, I'm going to press the button that says create a removal order. And then at this point, it says where to. Please input a valid US shipping address here. So they want me to tell them where to send all the stuff from different Flexport fulfillment centers all over the country. I'm going to tell them to send it to a local warehouse where I can do fulfillment myself. Flexport recommends that you do not send inventory that is leaving a Flexport fulfillment center to Amazon or to another 3PL because they think that things can go wrong. So they're asking to either send it to a storehouse or warehouse or an office that you control, which I have, or to basically send it to your home address, which you can also do if it's small enough. But if you had like pallets of stuff at Flexport, you couldn't send it to your house. You'd have to figure out another option there. So make sure that you have the address where it's going to be sent. They're going to basically give you an estimate of how much it costs. You're going to approve it. And then at that point, they'll start sending stuff back. They say it'll take a couple weeks to do. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. I'll see you next time.